Welcome everyone. In this particular video, we are going to see how to create Amazon EC2 instance. So before creating the EC2 instance, we have to see what actually the Amazon EC2 instance is. So EC2 instance is acronym for Elastic Compute Cloud. So what you mean by the Elastic Compute Cloud? So Elastic Compute Cloud is a resizable computing capacity provided by the AWS. That means you can create your own virtual machine and it is scale up and scale down according to the user's requirement. It just eliminate your hardware upfront. Okay, so you can develop your application and deploy it even faster than your local machine. Okay, so EC2 uses the customized Zen hypervisor. Okay, it uses the customized Zen hypervisor. So let's see how actually we can create the EC2 instance. Okay, so just click on the EC2 instance on this dashboard. It will open you a EC2 dashboard for you. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a no running instance. Okay, so just click on the instances. So as you can see here, there is a one instance which is a terminated already. So just click on the launch instance. Okay, so here you have the first step is that you have to choose Amazon image machine image. Okay, so machine image is nothing but it is a template that contains the software configuration. So you have to select this free tier only. After, you can see there are some free tier images, Amazon machine images are provided here. I am selecting the Ubuntu server. So after that you have to choose the instance type. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a pre-tier eligible, so that means you cannot charge, okay, for this particular instance. And we have currently selected this particular T2 micro instance, through which we can get one virtual CPU, okay, 1 GB memory and EBS. Okay, just click on the next. Here also just click on the next. Again click on the next. Click on the next. Okay, here also you can click on the next. Okay, so here you have to configure some security groups. So security group is nothing but it is some firewall rules for your EC2 instances. That means that means it just control your traffic, that is incoming traffic and outgoing traffic. Okay, that means who can request to my EC2 instance and who can see the response from my EC2 instance. Okay, so here already one outbound rule is get created by default. Okay, that is SSH on the port with 22 and it is a custom. So here you can make it anywhere. So anywhere, from anywhere, this okay, SSH can be accessed. So again we have to add one rule, that is HTTP. So you can make the HTTP request, okay, on the port number 18. Okay, also add the HTTPS, that is 443 port number, and make it anywhere. Okay, so these ports are accessible from anywhere. Okay, so there is some warning showing here. Rules with source 00 allow the IP address to access your instance. We recommend second setting security group rules to allow access from known IP address only. But I want to access my this all ports from anywhere, hence I have made this. So just click on the review and launch. So again click on the launch. So you will get key pair to connect your EC2 instance, okay, from your local machine. So for that you have to create one key pair. I'm giving the name like web connection. Okay, so now I am going to download the key pair. So it will provide, okay, it will provide me a PEM file. So what is the PEM file? PEM file is nothing but a private enhanced mail. So this is the private key provided by your EC2 instance, okay, to make connection from your local machine to this EC2 instance. So EC2 instance having the public key and you having the private key. So you just need to convert the PEM to the PPK using puttigen, and after completion of that PPK file, you are just use that PPK file as a private key, and whenever the public and private key matches, your local machine will connect to the EC2 instance. Okay, so just launch on the instance, click on the launch instance. So it's showing that your instances are now launching. Okay, so